Good morning, it's a Saturday and I woke up at 10 a.m. which is pretty late. I'm not really a morning person, so this is normal for me. Before, when I didn't wake up early, I felt like it's a wasted day, but I learned to embrace that I'm just not a morning person. So if you're like me, even if you don't wake up early, you can still make your day productive. Go easy on yourself and remember that every day you wake up is a blessing. We're making pineapple and mango smoothie for breakfast, and this combination tastes really nice. I put 2 slices of pineapple, 1 cup of mangoes, some milk, water and some ice as well. Lilac Diaries reached 5,000 subscribers this week, so thank you so much. I appreciate each one of you. And as a celebration, I will show you how to make chow mein, which is my favorite, well, one of my favorite noodles. I love noodles, and when I go to Chinese takeaways, I usually get chow mein, and for some reason I've always thought that it's very hard to make, but really it's not that hard. So let's prepare the ingredients. We need some chopped garlic. We're also using an onion, so we just peeled it and we'll chop it like this. We need cabbage and carrots, and for the carrots we just need to slice it into thin strips. And of course you can also add other vegetables that you want, like capsicum or mushroom, but for today we're just using cabbage and carrots. And don't worry, we don't need this whole cabbage, we only need around 1/8 of it. Make sure to remove the core because that will be too tough to stir fry. We also need to cut the cabbage into smaller pieces like this. We're chopping the green onions into smaller pieces around 2 inches in length. Doesn't have to be exactly 2 inches, just around that size. For our chicken breast, we need to cut it against the grain, and we do this because it helps to break down the muscle fibers and make the chicken more tender. We will marinate our chicken to help tenderize it even more and add some flavor, basically making it more tasty. In a small bowl, add soy sauce, sesame oil, and cornstarch. We will set this aside to marinate for at least 15 minutes. We will make the chow mein sauce in the meantime. In a small mixing bowl, add soy sauce, oyster sauce, black vinegar, sugar, black pepper. I forgot to film this, but I also added 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. This is optional though, it's just for added flavor. Mix everything together until the sugar dissolves. Now it's time to prepare our noodles. This is dried chow mein noodles I got from the Asian supermarket. We need to cook it according to the package instructions, usually for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just make sure you don't overcook it because it will still cook a little bit more when we make the stir fry. Now we'll drain the noodles and set it aside for now. We'll start by cooking our marinated chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large pan over medium to high heat. Add the marinated chicken and stir fry until it's fully cooked and no longer pink. It usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside for now. Add another tablespoon of oil into the pan and saute the garlic and onions until they become lightly golden brown. Add the carrots and cabbage and stir fry for about 2 minutes. Keep the vegetables moving to prevent it from burning. We'll add the noodles, return the cooked chicken to the pan, and add the green onions. Pour in the chow mein sauce that we prepared earlier. Toss everything together over medium to high heat until all ingredients are well combined. Make sure to taste test and adjust the seasoning to your liking if needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Lilac Diaries. See you in the next video.